Block 929. My name is Ted. If it's your first time to join our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video, and leave a comment. All right, today I'm just showing you how far I've gone with the scooter. I think we are making headway. There is a few things that still have to be brainstorming. There was a little bit of a mistake we made here. The tire is too close to the cycle itself, so we need to extend this a little bit. But I think the height is okay because if I come and, for example, sit there, I can sit properly. My arms are nice and stretched. We need to do a mounting for the seat, so we haven't done that. It's going to have a carrier, and here at the bottom we're also going to have a carrier for your helmet, because I think it will be best when riding this thing you have to ride with a helmet. The batteries are going to come here, so we still have to fix here for a position for the batteries, where we put the batteries. There will be the batteries for the motor, and we also have some batteries that are going to be running the controls like indicators, brake lights, and all those kind of things. Yeah, so I've just today put the shocks here, the shock absorber, as you can see. And now I also had to do some mounting here for the bearings, which are actually holding the tires. Okay, so we did the mounting here on this side. So we are making headway. As you know, as I've already said many times, that most of the parts we have to I have to design and take them to a machining company. They have to machine the parts for me. So it takes time sometimes. Yeah, so like I need to put some bushes which will be holding the tires so that the tires don't go this side. And I also asked the guy to do the screws here so that we can be putting bolts here to stop the tire from moving. But this side they didn't do it properly, so I have to go and take it back. We need keyways also on the shaft where we can be mounting the sprocket, because we are going to have a sprocket, and also we're going to have brake discs. So yeah, so this is how far I've gone. Okay, let me just take you around. As you can see, we have the shock absorbers. The tires have been done. These tires are tires that we bought. They are normally used on the tuk-tuk, the small tricycle, the one that people use for transport. And this is the back side where we're going to have some sprockets. So we have a sprocket there, and we also have the brake disc there. We're going to use the motorcycle brakes. And yes, this is how far we've gone. So I would like your suggestions, if you got any suggestion. And last time when I shared this project, somebody said the controllers that we've bought, they can't work on this scooter. So we are going to see. So if it is not my subscriber's mistake for buying those controllers, it was me. I'm the one who asked him to buy those controllers. So yeah, we'll see what's going to happen, but I'm sure it will be able to work, but maybe they might not last for a long time. And also something I don't like the way the front is looking. Something doesn't add up. I think maybe the tires are too small, and also the way I've done this thing over here, I don't think is looking good. But otherwise, yeah, everything is going according to plan. We're trying to make sure that it only runs up to 35 kilometers an hour or less. And we also want to make sure that even people with who are physically challenged can also be able to use this scooter. And we also want to see if we can have brakes in front, so that you have brakes at the back and in the front for backup in case your brakes fail. We don't want somebody to be in an accident. It's just a prototype, so which means that after this one we are going to see or correct some of the mistakes that we've made on this one, and then come up with a proper one. The idea is that when we start to manufacture this for sale, we might be doing it in South Africa, because the parts are very easy to get, and also I don't have to weld the whole frame myself. I can actually just draw up a design and take it to some fabricating companies that fabricate the shell for me, and then I just put my scooter together. That's the idea. Yeah, but I would like to get your suggestions your ideas. Do you think the shocks have been put properly on the cycle? Maybe if the scooter is too narrow, it should have been wider. Maybe Tamara can go there so that we can. Now you can see Tamara is riding the scooter. Is on top of the scooter. I think from Honey's, going to the back, I think everything looks proper. It's only the front that needs to be worked on. I think the tires might be very small. I need to get bigger tires. I was thinking of using the same tires and just make a hub for them, and then the front can have those tires. But first we will work on this one and see how it works. It's designed that 2 people can ride. So after the seat has been mounted properly, I think she will be able to sit in front a bit forward, and then we can see how it works. Yeah, but then I need your suggestions. What do you think about it? You think this will work, or what do you want me to work on? Where do you think I'll need some improvement? Yeah, but I think for young kids, they can ride this to school, and even big people can ride this when they're going to work. Very soon people are no longer going to be using vehicles because it's going to be too expensive to ride a car to work, and also our streets, our roads are getting too congested, so the best is just for you to just get into a scooter and ride into town. Yeah, all right, so this is it. I need your input. Tell me where you think I've gone wrong, and also tell me where you think I've done right, so that I can try to improve this vehicle. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time to visit this channel, and also like, share, and leave a comment.